Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to turn natural ingredients into natural products you can use every day in your home. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own Bath Fizzing Fairy Dust. This mixture of natural ingredients fizzes when it comes into contact with water, making you a fizzy fairy as you sprinkle it around your tub. We've made this recipe to be super moisturizing to the skin and smell amazing. Plus, it's kid-friendly. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's make this Bath Fizzing Fairy Dust recipe from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you need, I just want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products. This recipe comes from our DIY Bath and Spa recipe box. When you subscribe to our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box, you'll get key ingredients and natural recipes shipped to your door. Every month we explore a different theme. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also get the ingredients I talk about for this recipe at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from the Simply Earth DIY Bath and Spa box. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of citric acid, a teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil, which is going to dilute our essential oil and be moisturizing to the skin. We'll use 3 drops of Sleepy Essential Oil Blend, which is a really relaxing aroma. From your home, you're gonna want 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It's gonna react with citric acid to fizz. You're also going to need a 1/4 cup of either cornstarch, or I'm going to be using Simply Earth's Natrasorb bath powder, which is a really fun ingredient to work with. Either cornstarch or Natrasorb will work for this recipe, but the reason I'm using Natrasorb is because as the product dissolves in the water, Natrasorb is going to let the oils spread out across the tub, and it's kind of a more luxurious bath experience. I'm also going to be using some of Simply Earth's Fuchsia Mica Powder to add some fun color to this. Mica powder does tend to stick to soap scum on the sides of tubs, so before you use this product in your bathtub, make sure to wash down the sides to avoid that issue. If that does happen, you can wash it away with some baking soda or spritz it with rubbing alcohol, and that will clean it. You'll also need a container to hold this in. I'm using a 4-ounce jar. I'm gonna start by combining my dry ingredients in this bowl. So I've got 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of Natrasorb bath powder, and 1 tablespoon of citric acid. I'm also going to be adding some mica powder for a fun color. I'll be using fuchsia, but you could use violet or other colors from the Simply Earth Mica line. Just make sure that they are bath safe. You can use as much mica powder as you want. The more you add, the more vibrant color you will get. So I'll be adding approximately a 1/4 teaspoon of mica powder. I'm gonna stir that in. And I can set this aside. In a separate bowl, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil and 3 drops of Simply Earth Sleepy Blend. I'm gonna stir this together to make sure the essential oil is diluted. Now I'm gonna add my oil ingredients to my dry ingredients. Once it's combined, you can pour it into a jar. You'll wanna make sure it's something sealable because you don't want water to get into this because it will start reacting. You wanna save this recipe for the bath. And don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. To use your fizzing fairy dust, you can just sprinkle some in right in your bath. So I'm going to grab a spoon here, and now I get to be a fizzing fairy as I make a fizzy fun bath. I love how fun it is to use this product. Plus, it's super moisturizing to the skin and creates such a calming and relaxing bath. And you can make this too. If you want to turn natural ingredients into natural products like this, you need to check out Simply Earth's Essential Oil recipe box. I love to see your creations, so when you make your Bath Fizzing Fairy Dust recipe from Simply Earth, take a picture and share it with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you could be featured on our Simply Earth Facebook page, and you'll be entered to win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Follow for more natural recipes just like this one.